Good morning, students. As you all know that in last week we have completed our main topic under the chapter Measures of Central Tendency. Our next topic is median. So today's topic for discussion is median. What is median? Median is that value which divides the data into two equal parts. When we plot this median value on the graph, we will observe that half of the values will lie on the left hand side of this median value and half of the data values will lie on the right hand side of the median. Now let's have a look about it. Is denoted by ME. It is denoted by ME, median. As we have done in mean also, that we are having three different type of series: individual, discrete and continuous. In the same way, for median also we have three different series, and all series have different way of calculating median. This is individual, this is discrete, and this is your continuous series. Today in detail we will discuss about individual series. These you just make a note in your notebook. This we will discuss in further videos when we will discuss about discrete series and continuous series. In the individual series we have two cases: when n is odd and when n is even. When we count number of observation in the data, if they are like 3, 5, 7, 9 or 11, then we say that number of items in this question or in this data is odd. And when it is odd, we use this formula: n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Getting it? When value of n or the number of observation in the given question are odd. Odd means there can be 3 observation, there can be 5 observation, there can be 7 observation, there can be 9, it can be any odd value. So in that case we will use median equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observations. N is number of observations. In the same way, when n is even, even means either number of observation are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. In that case we will use median formula as this: n upon 2th observation plus n plus 2 plus 1, n upon 2 plus 1, 1th observation upon 2, means it is the mean of middle two values. Mean of middle two values. Hope you are understanding where we will use this formula and where we will use this formula. Then this one is median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item, n plus 1 by 2th item, and here n is equal to your sigma f. Here is your continuous formula series, and the formula for continuous series, that is L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into I. These are the descriptions. L1 is the lower limit of median class, n is equal to sigma f, f is equal to frequency of median class, and Cf is your cumulative frequency of the class just above the median class. And what is your I? L2 minus L1 of the median class. You know, in a class there are two values, upper limit and lower limit. So in median class also there are two values. L2 is upper limit, L1 is lower limit. Difference of this we will use as I. Now there is one thing to note, that whenever we have to calculate median in any of the series, it is our first most important step to check whether they are in ascending order or they are in descending order. They should be either arranged ascendingly or they should be arranged either descendingly. This you should take care. Very carefully you have to see this. Now let's see some questions, numerical questions. Median for individual series. Find out the median from the following data. Some values are given to you: 120, 200, 170, 800, 620, 350, 375, 640, 750. Now I have written here steps also so that it will be very easy for you to understand. First of all, count the number of items in the data. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means after calculating counting we find that n is 9. N is 9. Now we have to arrange the data into the ascending order and write numbering on them. As you all know that ascending order is taught to you in smaller classes like nursery, then in first, second, third. I think you all are good at arranging in ascending order. In ascending order we write the smaller value first, then keep on increasing. So this is the ascending order for this question. 120, 170, 200, 350, 375, 620, 640, 750, 800. The largest value is written at last and the series is followed, smaller to the larger, smaller to the larger, smaller to larger. Now we have to give numbers. Suppose I am giving you first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th. While numbering also we have found that we have arranged all the values 9. Here also they were 9. Here also these are 9. Now in step 3, as here n is 9, we have to use this one formula, that is n plus 1 upon 2th observation. What is n? 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2, it will give you 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 2th observation means 5th observation. So what is the 5th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your 5th observation is 375. Which is your 5th observation? 375. So your median will be 375. So your median will be 375. These are two questions for your practice. You can note down them and you can try to solve them using the format being discussed to you above. Now we have to discuss one more question is there in front of you, that is find out the median. Again let's see what is the difference between that question and this question. You have to count the step 1 is you have to count the number of items, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your n is 8. You have to arrange the data as I have told you, smaller to larger, smaller to larger. So you have got 9, 10, 11, 14, 16, 19, 20 and 22. Then you have to write countings, numberings on them. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8th. As here n value is 8, so it means we are having even numbers. The formula which we will use is this one. What is the formula saying? N upon 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. It means 8 by 2 plus 8 by 2 plus 1th observation. It will give fourth, it will give this 8 by 2 is 4 and this is plus 1, so we will get fifth here. So what we are having now, fourth and 4 plus 1 will give you 5, so you are having fourth and fifth, means you have to take fourth and fifth, add them and divide by 2, add them and divide by 2, that is add fourth observation and fifth observation, divide answer by 2, divide answer by 2. This is how we will do this step. Now I have made it more simplified for you people, that is, as per terms arranged in the ascending order, fourth observation is 14. Let's have a look. 1 2 3 4th, fourth is 14, I have written here 14. 1 2 3 4 5, fifth is 16, so I have written here 16. So from here we have substituted the value in median, that is 14 plus 16 upon 2. 14 plus 16 will give you 30. 30 divided by 2 will give you 15. So your median is 15. So we have done both questions where n is odd and where n is even. These are two questions for your practice. Try to solve them so you can practice these questions. Now next one is your some important type of question to find some missing values, that is 7 10 12 15 x plus 2 25 38 45 64 are arranged in ascending order, means already they are arranged in ascending order, no need to arrange again. Their median is given 19, means answer of the formula is being given to us. We have to find value of x. So which formula we will use, that depends upon how many values are these. So count values, counting values, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, we get n is equal to 10, already mentioned here, n is equal to 10. Here median is 19, so as n is equal to 10 we have to use this formula, already told so many times कि it depends on n value which formula to be used. So n by 2 plus this formula we will use, 10 upon 2 observation plus 10 upon 2 plus 1th observation. Here we can write 19. 10 by 2 will 5th observation, here 10 by 2 is 5 and it is plus 1, 5 plus 1th observation. This will give you this and this will give you this calculative answers. Now 5 plus 1 will be 6th, 5 plus 1 will be 6th observation. So beta, according to 5th observation, according to your question, what is 5th? We can give the numbering also here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. So which one is 5th? This is 5th. 5th is your x, told here also. 6th is your x upon x plus 2, mentioned here also. So now you will use mathematical concepts like by cross multiplication. This 2 will go this side, so you will get 19 into 2, 19 multiply 2. This bracket we can open straight away, x plus 2 will come. So these x and this x will give you 2x. This 2 will be separate. And this in next line, this 2 comes in here, it will become negative. So 38 minus 2 will give is equal to 2x. Now 38 minus 2 give 36. This 2 come here in division. So you are left with the value of x. 36 divided by 2 gives 18 and x is equal to 18. So your value of x is 18 in this question. Hope I have made myself very clear in discussing these three type of questions to you. First I have done introduction of median, then we have done that it three different series having three different formulas. Then we have discussed individual series and median calculation in detail. That is, first, if number of observation is odd, then second, if number of observations is even, and then third, if some missing values are there and median is given, then how to find out that value for individual series. Three questions I have solved in front of you. Three I have given you as homework, that is question 2, question 4 and question 6. This is your homework questions. You try to solve them. Thank you. This is your question 6. Thank you. And let me make you that these pages are visible to you clearly, more clearly, so that you, if you want to make them note down, you can note down also. So this is what complete page is there. You can take a screenshot of video from here. I have holded it like this. And then this is your introduction page. This is your complete introduction page. And this is your question 3 and 4. And this is your 5th and 6th. So you can note them also. Thank you and have a nice day.